Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to share screen on WhatsApp video call. Now, before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below and we'll get started with the video. So, first of all, as you can see, can you share screen on WhatsApp video call? No, unfortunately, WhatsApp currently does not have its own built-in screen share feature during video calls. However, what you can do is you can use something else that is called right here, as you can see, crank wheel. So basically, this is the best way to share your desktop in a WhatsApp chat. So for example, if you want to screen share, you will need to sign up for crank wheel. It's free to register and it's free to get started. So you can launch crank wheel either from your browser or from your extension. From there, you can select what you want to share. So a browser tab, a program window, or your entire desktop, right? So you can open the chat you want to share your screen to and then copy the link for the meeting and paste it into the WhatsApp chat. Then your viewers can now see your screen on any browser and any device by entering through the link. This is the only way currently how you can go and share your screen on WhatsApp video call. Because again, WhatsApp does not have inbuilt screen sharing. Now, obviously, alternatively, you can use Google Meet, Zoom, or any other communication channel and platform to share your screen as well. Also Discord is great choice if you want an alternative way. But this is basically the best way to do it if you are on WhatsApp. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.